Welcome! Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change your birth date on the Roblox app for PC, following the latest update. Whether you made a mistake when signing up or just want to update your information, this quick tutorial will help you get it done in no time. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots or lines, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Next, navigate to the Account Info section. Here, you'll see various details about your profile. Look for the birthday field, and right next to it, you'll find an Edit icon. Click on this icon to start changing your birth date. Now, enter your correct birth date in the fields provided. After you've made the changes, click the Continue button to proceed. Roblox takes account security seriously, so to verify your identity, they will send a code to the email address linked to your account. Check your email inbox for the verification code. Once you find it, enter the code into the Roblox app and click Verify. This step confirms that you are the rightful owner of the account and authorizes the birth date change. And that's it. Your birth date on Roblox has now been successfully updated. Remember, keeping your account information accurate is important for your gaming experience and account security. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile.